Houston is built to win.
20 feet down, 2.5.
We are a city defined by collaboration, by partnerships and strategies that create economic opportunity for our community and for those who choose to move here from around the world.
We have the second largest population in the country in Texas. We have a very young population. We're blessed with a workforce.
Time and again, Houstonians come together to solve challenges and make the region a better place to live and work. When we face a setback, we learn from it, roll up our sleeves, and move forward together.
Even 𝗚𝗢𝗡𝗓𝗧 strikes out.
Swing and a miss.
And what do? You get back up and you swing at that first pitch again.
High fly ball to deep left.
The oil and gas, the energy capital of the world, has shown that it can diversify.
It wasn't about we're going to compete against each other. It's about how we're going to work together.
This is one of those stories. In 2021, Houston was a finalist for a major pharmaceutical manufacturing operation. We came in second.
So that moment, it was a huge letdown. And I look at the role of San Jacinto College, I look at the role of community colleges, and we're about driving economic mobility in the community.
The feedback was clear. The opportunity required a deeper, stronger biotech workforce.
The lack of a prepared workforce in this industry was one of the key reasons we lost it. We had to be at the table. McCord Development found out why we weren't the top region to be selected. They put together a group of us, and then our teams, they found out about 𝗙𝗎𝗓, the National Institute of Bioprocessing Research and Training in Dublin, Ireland.
When they came over and met with Brenda Hellier at San Jacinto College, they said of all of our partners around the world that they are the most aligned with our mission of training workforce.
And that really solidified that we needed to be part of this deal.
Through workforce training initiatives like San Jacinto College's Center for Biotechnology and coordinated leadership across education, industry, and government, including Harris County and the City of Houston under the leadership of Mayor John Whitmire, Houston began building the talent pipeline the industry demanded. Houston is home to the Texas Medical Center, the largest concentration of healthcare and life science institutions in the world. For decades, we've been at the forefront of research, development, and patient care. Today, our life sciences innovation ecosystem continues to grow, powered by investments and developments led by the Texas Medical Center, alongside a network of visionary developers and partners across the region. Partners worked alongside the Texas Medical Center and state leaders to ensure Texas policy supports pharmaceutical and life sciences manufacturing, advancing initiatives like Proposition 10, targeted tax exemptions, and the state's 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗓𝗡 property tax incentive. Because in Houston, when we see what it takes to win, we build it.
When San Jacinto College invested out here in Generation Park, we saw this as a tremendous growth area, but really became an investment for the region. The students that are coming here, it's the whole gamut. Large part of our students are first generation to college, and that's what you're going to find here also.
Going from psychiatry to working in a lab, it's kind of crazy. We're learning the actual hands-on cell manipulation. We learn all the theoreticals. We learn all the hands-on techniques. Working in biological safety cabinets, it's very rewarding. It's amazing.
Well, it is official. Eli Lilly announcing plans to open a $6.5 billion manufacturing plant right here in Houston.
Probably the most exciting time in my career to be given the opportunity to come here and help Lilly grow in this region. So the day of the announcement, the energy was really incredible.
We are so proud to have Eli Lilly right here in Houston, Texas.
Well, I have to be honest, it was a huge relief. You know, we'd been working this for a good 18 months, having all the pieces come together. So when it happened, it was like validation.
This is going to be one of our most advanced facilities. We're going to be focusing on domestic production for small molecule active ingredients. We're going to need lots of operators, maintenance technicians, quality assurance and quality control, scientists, engineers. So there's quite a bit of opportunity that will come along with the site growing in this area. We really hope to engage with the educational systems in the area, help kids get curious about what that looks like what does STEM mean? What does that mean for pharmaceutical manufacturing? Prepare kids and people entering the community college system for the capabilities that we're going to need to run the site. You know, it's really inspiring to think that some of the kids that we interact with who are sparking curiosity in the STEM fields could be folks that eventually help us start up and run this site.
They're going to be exciting jobs for the region. Again, real demand that's needed and good wages. And so that's what it's about, right? Driving that economy and preparing for that next generation.